Welcome to MacsWorld. What's your name?
Florencia.
Florencia? Okay, how old are you?
4.
4. Is it okay if I call you Flo?
Yes.
Yes? Who's sitting beside you? Can you introduce her to us?
My mom,
Your mom? What's her name?
Sophia.
Sophia?
Mommy is like to be a princess.
You want to be a princess? Do you like to play princess with mom?
Yeah.
So she likes to play with you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then what else?
My mommy like to play Play-Doh with me. Play-Doh pony.
Oh, Play-Doh pony. Do you tidy up your toys by yourself after you play?
Yes.
Yes? Is it true, Mom? Do you help her?
No.
No? Kalau bangun gampang nggak dibangunin?
Ayo, gampang nggak? Susah.
Susah? Flo, so you just told me about your mom, right? If Max were to ask you to draw your mommy, can you do that? Really? Okay, so here's what you should do. Mom will tell you a story about her childhood, and you will be drawing it. But Mom is not allowed to see the drawing, so it will be a surprise, okay? Are you excited?
Yeah. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I will become a cat.
Make sure your mom doesn't peek, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go!
Loret, gambar mami waktu mami masih kecil ya? Iya, maminya waktu masih kecil, maminya itu suka kalau diajak main ke taman. Mami suka kalau lihat bunga-bunga. Mami waktu kecil juga suka jadi kayak princess. Terus mami suka pakai baju kayak princess warna pink gitu. Rambut mami panjang loh dulu waktu masih kecil.
Kayak aku sama.
Oh, mami suka pakai baju warna pink. Nanti gambarin mami pakai baju warna pink ya.
Oke.
Flo, lagi gambarin apa?
Lagi gambarin bunga balon.
Bunga balon.
I'm drawing a flower again.
Wow, so many flower.
Flo, do you know Mom's favorite song when she was a kid?
I don't know.
You can ask her.
Mommy,
Yeah.
what's your favorite song?
Mami like Susan.
Susan?
Ya, Susan. Kalau gede, kamu mau jadi apa?
Mom's favorite song, Susan. Butterfly-nya banyak sekali.
Loret, katanya mau warnain bunga buat mami kayak pelangi yang cantik. Ada yang merah, ada yang kuning, ada yang pink.
What color is the flower, Flo? Is it red?
Yeah, red and pink. But mommy, the body is white.
What about Mom's dress?
So this is your favorite?
Yeah, I like red flower. Red flower like rose, you know.
Ta-da!
Are you done?
Oh,
Wow, that's really good. Mom, do you want to see it?
Loret, apa mami?
1, 2, 3.
I open, okay? Wow, so nice. Apa ini? Sunflower ya?
Iya.
Iya, wah cantik sekali. Ini apa?
Butterfly juga.
Ini butterfly juga. Ini ceritanya mami lagi di mana?
Mami lagi di garden.
Wah, mami pakai dress pink. Ini gambar apa?
Heart.
Heart, oke.
Buat mami aja sama saya.
Iya, sini. Bunganya banyak sekali. Coba ada berapa bunganya? Kemarin kasih mami bunga berapa?
1,
1, 2,
12,
Oke,
13.
banyak sekali.
So, we have a picture of your mom when she was a kid. Do you want to see it? Yeah? Close your eyes. Okay, it's gonna be a surprise, okay?
Ay, do not pick. Do not pick. Later I count to 3. Ini geser.
Ya.
Oke.
Nanti bisa dikomen mama.
Oh, oke.
Taruh di keyboard.
Kayaknya ada yang. Oh, oke.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Who is that? Mami, cantik nggak? Tuh, rambutnya panjang kan? Keriting-keriting kan? Pakai pita cantik ya?
Ini untuk Mami.
Iya.
Mom, if you can rate Flo's drawing, is it excellent, good, or so-so?
Excellent. 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 It's excellent. So, excellent, good, so-so. So-so is the worst one.
Okay, Flo, do you love Mom?
Ah, thank you. Give Mommy a big hug. I love you.
Thank you for watching. Bye.